Never run out of battery again with the INIU portable charger, the slimmest 10,000 milliamp hour power bank that keeps your devices charged on the go. Stay powered up wherever you go. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
So, you've heard rumors of Bitcoin's price prediction, and it seems that Bitwise has doubled down on its bold claim of reaching $200,000 by the end of this year. But what makes them so confident? Well, let's dive into the world of global trade tensions and cryptocurrency. In December, Bitwise predicted that Bitcoin would hit the moon at $200,000, and now they're sticking to it. According to Matt Haugen, Chief Investment Officer at Bitwise, a weaker US dollar could be just what Bitcoin needs to soar higher. And why does he think so? It all comes down to the impact of President Trump's global tariff push on the world's reserve currency system. The White House Council of Economic Advisors has been sounding the alarm about the dollar's reserve status, calling it a major cause of persistent currency distortions and unsustainable trade deficits that have decimated U.S. manufacturing. Now, this could be music to Bitcoin's ears, because a weaker greenback means fewer dollars circulating around the globe. And what happens when there are fewer dollars? Bitcoin tends to shine. But wait, it gets better. Matt Haugen points out that historically, dollar weakness has been directly correlated with Bitcoin's strength. It's a pattern that's hard to ignore. In fact, since the beginning of 2025, the US dollar index has fallen by over 7%. And what's happening? Bitcoin is on fire. Now, some might say this is just short-term thinking, but Haugen believes that the long-term implications could be huge for alternative reserve assets like Bitcoin and gold. He thinks that the world will move away from a single reserve currency system and towards a more fractured one, where hard money plays a bigger role. And if that's the case, then Bitcoin is exactly what we need right now. In fact, crypto trader and analyst Will Clement agrees, saying Bitcoin will be the fastest horse coming out of this trade war. He believes it's all about liquidity and no earnings. The more uncertain the economy gets, the better off Bitcoin becomes. So, what does that mean for us? Well, if you're holding onto your BTC, now might be a good time to consider selling and taking profits, especially with Bitcoin up 7.5% over the past 24 hours. But at the same time, if you believe in the Bitwise prediction, then $200,000 by year's end might not be out of the question. One thing is for sure, this trade war has given us a silver lining, and that's Bitcoin's price potential.